What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button, but it's the 4th version instead for 7. Click. Avoid falling. Oh yeah, I understand. You can't jump here. Oh. Come on. No, change. Let's go. Come on. No. Oh my god. I'm alive. Help. I'm bloody alive. Full off, mate. Why, I'm the only one up. I'm only one. Dude, I'm cheating. I don't know how, but I'm cheating. No! Wait, yes, I won. I won. It's my birthday today, guys. If you watched my last video. So I'm 11 years old now. Yes! Watch out for spikes. Oh. That was the thing you were not supposed to touch. Silly me. $10 coins, and do I have any spins? No, I don't have any spins. I'm gonna try making if we hit 20 subscribers at the end of the month, then I'm gonna make a Steal the Brain Rot part 2. Or if you want, I'm gonna make a Steal the Brain Rot admin abuse video. A bit fun for you guys. Cause I'd love to. It'd be so fun. What the heck? Did we just get sucked a black hole? Watch out for mummy. Oh, there's a big freaking mummy. Oh, I swear. Oh, no, I'm swearing so much. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, crap. I'm getting chased. Oh, yes. That guy saved me. Come on. I think I can survive. Did the mummy just fall off? The mummy just fall off. Okay. Strange. Whoa. Pack shop? No, I don't have any. No. I should not pay any Robux for this. So, whoa. Can you like jump up on something? No, you can't. Fight. Roar. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh, no, I died. W's in the chat. Oh, it's like red light. I did not. What the flip? I didn't even move. I'm stopping there. Green light. Let's go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Oh, perfect timing. Go. I won. Let's go. I made it. Let's go. Click the button. Whoop. We survived. Oh! One mystery drink. Are these drinks? What can I buy? I can't buy anything. I only have 15 coins. find the button. I'm scared to like fall off the shit. Where's button? Canoon, where did you find the button? Ouch. Bro, we just died. Come on. Oh, shot. I was supposed to say shot again. I was definitely supposed to say shot. You. Huh? What even happened? Get ready. The flood will stop. Oh, it's like a flood rise. But as I said in my last Don't Press the Button, I'm a parkour pro. I can do this easily. If I hit 100 subscribers someday, I'll do a face reveal. So go click that subscribe button. It's like right here on a video. Oh, shot. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Oh, no, I died. Dang it. Escape the burning tower. Didn't read that. Yeah, but you should really subscribe. It would help me a lot. Storm. We gonna get blown away or not? Are we? Are we or not? Are we or not? Are we or not? Are we gonna blow away or not? Oh, we're not. Watch out. Oh shit. Not good. Oh! Yes! I survived. I survived. I survived. I knocked. No. Shot. Who is it? Shit. It's a bit. Oh, I thought it would be scarier. It's a big skeleton. But it's fine. Like it's not so unscarified. What are these blocks? 5, 6, 4, guys. Come on. 3, 2, 1, jump, and we're back. Blocks. Jump on the logs. Oh, logs, bro. Bro, some booty got. Oh my. How are we Oh. I jumped. Oh my. Okay, I know now. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. Too good. Bum, bum, bum. Fuck. How did Mangori girl use the rainbow carpet? Cheetah, pumpkin eater. Oh my god. Congratulations for you to subscribe. No. I mean, oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. Congratulations to you guys that won, and not me. Why this so? Oh my god, I actually suck at this, bro. Rob the bank? Why would I want to rob a bank? Easy. Parkour. Oh shit. Oh shit. Escape the bank. Calcarica bros. Go. Go. Hit it, and I won. We successfully robbed a bank. We successfully did it. Let's go. Come on. Spamming blue. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh my god. I'm so sorry for swearing. Oh my god. Oh my god. So sorry. Oh, hope you can forgive me. Button presser. Meepy meep 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 meep. No! What happened? Let's stand here because no way it will disappear. I know why this one disappear. This one won't, but it will now. Wow! I called it. This will disappear. This will disappear. Oh, we'll either die or we'll survive. We died. Dang it. The fork, man. Red. Dark green, come on. Stay in here. Two, one, game. We're almost up. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Get up. Let's go. There we go. I got 90. I can buy something. I'm buying a Bloxy curler. W Bloxy curler. But guys, I think I have to end the video there. So happy for you guys to watch the video. Oh my god. I'm so glad that you watched the video. And see you in the next video. Bye.